I'll
Yeah,
welcome all of you to Lockdown Diaries. I don't know which episode this is. This is a very informal meet,
12th.
and I have 12. Wonderful. Thank you for telling me the episode number of my own show. Okay, and I am with Mayura and Nikhil. Before I start, Mayura has been my student from Siddharth College, year 2015, when I started teaching media planning and buying, I suppose. That was my second year of teaching media planning and buying before I taught in a college called ICL. And I don't know how many people know of Siddharth College, but believe me, it's one of the most. I didn't hear about the college before till I was introduced to that place by the head of department there. And when I used to love going to that place because it's a very old structure, and if you see all the classrooms are very old, and you have a British resemblance to those structures.
1949.
In 49, it's like long time. And in the heart of city. So I'm a city boy, so I love coming there because you have all food joints up and down around, and that is the most vibrant class and the best colleges I ever taught. And I'm not exaggerating on that. The best batches I ever taught have come from Siddharth, either BMM or BMS, okay, both together. And जब मैं क्लास में घुसा था, so I heard एक this voice, ऐसा लगा कि आकाशवाणी में कोई बात कर रहा है. And then I had Mayura there. I said, ये तो वो रेडियो वाली लग रही है कोई तो. And but yeah, this
I performed in your class, sir, I guess. Yeah.
yes, you performed also. And it was this fun session I used to have. मतलब बहुत मस्ती होती थी, बहुत मतलब it was a fun set, totally cool chilled out session था. And I really miss that
It
batches.
was the only class
हाँ,
जहाँ पे attendance full होता था.
thank you very much. But yeah, I miss those days at Siddharth. Devika ma'am was at that time. She was your head of department, and yeah, so it's been 5 years down the line, 4 5 years I would say, and times changed. And I could I was in connect with Mayura because Mayura also took my dad's interview for a TV channel. Yeah, and it's played in Indira College. If you see in the main TV television set, that it's still played there. And I used to follow her on Facebook, where she was a part of this, that's Tata Institute of Social Science. So a warm welcome to you. Thank you very much. This is the first time a faculty is interviewing a student. I'm very happy for that. Nikhil, I would love to know more about you
That's
because
I'm
I
feeling
don't
very
know.
proud.
Yes, the feeling is mutual. So Nikhil, can you tell about yourself, please?
Yeah.
Okay, so I met Mayra in TIS. I was from a senior batch.
Okay.
Before coming to TIS, I worked in different sectors.
Mhm.
So I'm basically from Bhandara district. It's next to Nagpur.
Okay.
And yeah, so after completing my 12th standard, I pursued BCom, Bachelor in
Mhm.
Commerce, and then I worked for 2.5 years in a company in
Mhm.
finance and legal department. But
Mhm.
during that time, I was drawn towards social sector, so I started volunteering with different groups, mostly the groups which are working towards the farmers or environment, that kind. And then
Mhm.
later I worked with an NGO in Gadchiroli,
Mhm.
and after that I came to TIS. So coming to TIS, that decision I took because from like since my childhood I love films, documentaries,
Mhm.
and I didn't knew that how to do or how to pursue that kind of that career. So in my circles, in my friend circles from my college and school, I only knew this basic fields like engineering, medical, or science, art, commerce. I didn't know
Mhm.
about media and anything. So when I got to know about this and this course, I just like left my job and I came here. And since that time, like since then, I'm doing this documentary filmmaking, exploring other things also, writing. I've written 2 3 articles. One was published in Carvan magazine and
Okay.
other publication.
I
So
would
yeah.
like to add something to it.
Yes.
Like, yeah, when he talks, like it seems very boring. I used to think like that, and because he was my first introduction in TIS. Like I only called him and asked how the course is, and
She
uh,
came to TIS when I was in my first semester,
yeah.
and she was
So
in Siddharth
so
that time. So
not
she
such
just came to
good
know about the
bondings
course.
amongst us. Then our friendship grew, and he was my most boring friend.
Mhm.
But since I've got married to him and I'm exploring that he is is a quite interesting person. He loves environment, he loves farming, he loves filmmaking, and a lot more things that I'm still exploring. It's not been a year since we are married now,
Right.
and we work together. So yeah, it's quite fun, like living together and working together, thinking together, brainstorming together about our upcoming projects, about our films, like fighting together. ये नाम नहीं रखना है, वो नाम रखना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. So it's very fun. Like you asked after college what happened, so all this happened after college.
I mean, it's not difficult to understand the fact that she's a more talkative one than you.
Yeah.
No, it's not like that. It's just like I talk entertaining.
I
He
talk
ta-
less also.
He
And
talks
she
more.
talks more.
No, he talks more.
No, okay, cool. Okay, before that, this is most
Just
of the
a
people
small
here
roasting, okay? No.
okay. Before we start, this session is about Indian media. Now, this idea was given to me by Mayura itself कि कुछ बात करते हैं, और मैंने बोला कुछ मसाला भी डालते हैं, कुछ तड़का भी डालते हैं, बिकॉज बिना तड़के की कोई दाल खाता नहीं और तड़के के बिना जिंदगी होती नहीं, तो कुछ अलग सा करते हैं. So we thought of having some questions, and it's a mixture of questions which my students also have shared with me. All of these kids are basically from an MBA background, and media is the faintest idea of media they have would be Arnab Goswami or OTT, or actually Netflix and Amazon Prime, or basic Indian movies up and down. So
Okay.
so that is media for a lot of people. So we need to change the perception, and what the best way to do that than movies? I mean, for me, movies changed me as a person because I grew up watching movies. And I must say one thing: a lot of people don't know movies like Rangila, 3420, तो देखा नहीं है. तो RGV राम गोपाल वर्मा कौन है वो भी नहीं मालूम है. तो technically you understand Rangila changed a lot for Indian cinema too in the earlier parts. But anyways, let's start with the questions of basic conversation. So my first question to you is: does cinema play a role in today's society, and has cinema changed over a period of time?
Yeah, for both the questions, yes, of course. Like it is said that cinema is a mirror of the society. Like it's not some, like the concepts do not come from some other world. Most of the stories are inspired from what we see in the society, and vice versa. It also reflects, like it reflects the society, and again, like what we see in the cinema, we try to cope up with it, we try to follow it, we try to make it a trend, we try to make it a fashion. Whatever the protagonist in the film does, we try to imitate it. Like we try to follow the dressing senses, hairstyles, talking sense, gestures, postures, dialogues.
We put ourselves in that protagonist role or whatever role we like, the character.
So
Basically, the characters are inspired from the society, and again, the characters in the film, we try to reflect the same. We try to connect ourselves with those characters, and we try to behave like some of the characters that we like.
For people who don't know what's a protagonist, is basically the hero. Am I right?
Yeah. The lead characters.
The lead character, and
protagonist and antagonist
is the
hero and villain.
Yeah, perfect.
Vamp also. Yeah. Heroine, I don't think heroine बेचारी वो कभी hero नहीं होती, वो सिर्फ थोड़ा item number, थोड़ा बहुत side role के लिए होता है. Like that is the saddest part. Yeah.
So good topic you touched on, an item number. So do movies objectify women, especially Indian cinema?
Yes.
yes, of course. It's like introduction of a female character in the film starts with a camera following her butt. Starts with her, like there are songs, no? Back or front. So it starts with it. It doesn't start with how strong the woman is. It starts with what kind of nazakat that girl is having. उसके बाल उड़ेंगे हवा से, उसका दिन स्माइल दिखेगा, one by one, step by step, एक उसका body का part दिल. Thank you for choosing Zoom.
That's perfect.
This meeting no longer has a time limit. Okay, yeah. Okay. So the camera introduces the female characters in such a way that is, of course, like no doubt, we can call it objectification of that woman. It's the way
But
she speaks, what she does.
but content-based cinema is come up now, right? More than commercial
So this
entertainment
is the
content.
case with most of the cinemas. Like
Most of
there are very less films or less directors, actors who play these kind of films. But most of the films, typically the masala
overall,
genre, you see, women are objectified in those kind of, and people like that also.
So
People,
how would
people
you?
go for
yeah,
that to the theaters.
yeah.
That I know. I mean, but then
Yeah,
how would you? How as filmmakers, what? How would you change that rules?
there are
From at what?
many such directors who think the other way. Basically, when we learned filmmaking, so we were taught male gaze.
Hmm.
There's a theory, there's a concept called male gaze. It's
Hmm.
even like the film, it depends on the gender of that filmmaker.
Hmm.
अगर वो किसी लड़की के बारे में, अपने
Hmm.
फिल्म के लीड कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोच रहे, तो वो अपने हिसाब से सोचेंगे, अपने अंदाज से, अपने अपने परसेप्शन से. He try to impose their perception of a woman. So
Hmm.
what attracts him most in the woman?
Hmm.
Then he defines the characters, whether that the character is a Sati Savitri or like who, or a Parvati.
Hmm.
So accordingly, and what a male thinks, like it's a very general perception in the society. Like when now I teach in Siddharth College BMM, so when I ask my students what is beauty according to you, so my students say, ma'am, like हाँ, girls में सब कैसा भी ड्रेस पहनो सब अच्छा तो है, लेकिन साड़ी में अलग ही बात है.
Hmm.
I was like, क्या अलग बात है? That अलग बात है, she is not able to do anything, but just वो संभालने में लग जाएगा उसका पूरा वक्त. She's not able
Okay.
to run fast and catch a train, or run behind a thief and catch his collar and something. So her basic geography, her figure is like very pretty much objectified in a sari, and
Okay.
people think that's what a girl is meant to be. Like
Okay.
appreciating, they're like, we are appreciating the beauty, but why is it beauty just like, why is it beauty a girl thing? Why not brains? Why not her smartness? Why not her confidence? Why not her strength? Apart
But
from
that.
uterus and few parts, like
Hmm.
talking about science and biology, all the things that a man is capable of is similar, is the similar case with females also. Like they आपने ये फिल्म देखी होगी, आमिर खान ने धाकड़, अरे दंगल.
Dangal.
फिल्म शोज अस कि जिस तरह से हम रेज अप करते हैं, उसी हिसाब से चेंज होता है बड़े होने के बाद, कि हम स्ट्रेंथ हमारे पास ज्यादा रहेगी या नजाकत ज्यादा रहेगी. इट इज हाउ यू आर रेज्ड अप. सो एनी जेंडर कुड बी रेज्ड अप लाइक as we want. So that's why दंगल जैसी फिल्में हैं, मर्दानी जैसी फिल्में हैं. There are few films which also focus
Mary Kom
on
है.
like, yeah, Mary Kom है. नहीं, Mary Kom is basically a real life story, no? तो वो तो वैसे ही
It's a
दिखाना
biopic.
पड़ेगा. It's a biopic, है ना?
Okay. So
अगर फिक्शन फिल्म बनाना है, फिक्शन कैरेक्टर्स करने हैं, तो हमको लीड रोल जो हमारा मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज ऑलवेज अ मेल, एंड हीरोइन को बस थोड़ा साइड लाइन, थोड़ा बहुत एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए होता है.
I was speaking to you yesterday, and something you told which struck me is, why do Hindi film heroes in Hindi movies, especially the Dharma production, I would say. Okay.
Bollywood
Dharma
type.
production movies, all of them have a Malhotra or a Chopra or so and so, all these fancy big
Khanna
high power
Kapoor.
names, I would say,
Khanna's,
whatever it is.
Kapoors. Yeah.
Khannas and the Kapoors. Yeah. So why not a Patil? Or why
So
not a
Patils
local
are also there.
Patils
The
are
dominant,
there.
the dominant names are always there on top.
Why so?
Have you, sir, watched this stand-up comedian, Sandeep Sharma? Sandeep Sharma. He's a stand-up comedian. He cracks jokes on Brahmins. He thinks that he's cracking anti-caste jokes. But he gives one example कि Bollywood industry में कैसे casteism है. He gives that example, and where he says, he himself is a Sharma, he himself is a Brahmin, and he cracks jokes on a Brahmin, and he says कि कभी आपने yesterday also I told you, film का character होता है, hi, meet myself, I'm Sanjay Singhania. So he says, why only Sanjay Singhania? कभी आपने सुना है कि meet myself, I am Santosh Pandey? Why not? उसका ये जो joke है, Santosh Pandey, and people like applauded, clapped, laughed out loud. But yeah, there are Pandays in the films. Haven't you heard of Chulbul Pandey, the biggest hit? स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा?
स्वागत नहीं करोगे.
There are characters, Pandey, Sharmas. Have you ever heard of the surname Santosh Kamble, Meshram, Masram, Ramteke, or like the surnames of
Masram is a son. Masram is a character itself. That is
Masram is a total different genre of film.
Yeah, total different genre.
Yeah. So yeah, the film industry को अगर हम overall look में देखें तो it has been sexist, it has been casteist, it has been classist, it has been homophobic a lot of times. But yeah, there are some films which are trying to change the narrative. कुछ films अभी आ रही. We are not saying कि अगर आपको film sexist नहीं बनानी है तो सिर्फ महिलाओं पे फिल्म बनाओ. नहीं, तो आपकी जनरल स्टोरी में भी जेंडर होता है. In a general normal story, in a love story per se, there is gender, there is caste. Why not? There is. But it's like how you show it. अगर हमको like women empowerment पे फिल्म बनानी है तो not necessarily कि we'll make गुलाब गैंग की तरह ही सारी films. The popular films like कभी खुशी कभी गम आपने देखी होगी. काजोल का काफी अच्छा कैरेक्टर है, चुलबुला है. बट लुक एट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ नंदिनी, जया बच्चन. He is not even having the right to say something. Her husband is like, बस बोल दिया चुप बैठो.
It's the male which dominates.
Yeah, many of the films there are female characters जिनका कुछ काम नहीं है. अब उनको दिखाना है कि we are having another narrative also, तो उसमें बीच में एक आध कैरेक्टर डाल देते हैं, like बसंतीन शोले. So she is not stopping. She's like continuously talking, and thus such kind of roles become very iconic. अभी भी बसंती का कैरेक्टर is very iconic. अभी भी कभी किसी को थीम दे दिया कि बॉलीवुड थीम पे आप लोगों को परफॉर्म करना है, तो there will be one girl who will be becoming Basanti and playing her character. There will be one girl playing Geet ka character from Jab We Met.
Yeah.
But in general stories, we do not have that.
So you think the fact that a camera in a movie, on a movie set, can show a lot. I mean, according to you, which is one of the best scenes in Indian cinema shot till now, in terms of cinematography?
There are many, like
I don't remember.
That can't be told like at once, but
your best scene.
Many films. I love Sairat ka that scene. It's a drone shot. वो fort type area है जहाँ पे बैठा. It's a sunset, and the drone like travels, and it ends at the sea somewhere. There are many shots. ऐसे तो like हर फिल्म में एक तो भी ढंग का शॉट कहीं ना कहीं हो ही जाता है.
Like there is like it's difficult to tell.
Judge. All right.
Yeah.
Judge also like there are a lot
and
of
also,
shots.
It will be different for different people. So what you like for some people, the two flowers coming together might be a great cinematic shot.
True.
For some people, it will be not showing the two flowers kissing each other, but Imran Hashmi. That could be a very beautiful shot because it is very realistic. So it may differ for people.
So primary role of Indian cinema would be engagement or entertainment, or entertainment then engagement?
For me, any media can never be just entertainment. Even in entertainment, it will give you something or the other. there is nothing called neutrality, I feel.
Hmm.
There are always biases on some of the side. There is nothing called neutrality. Even the entertainment, what you call entertainment, might be abusive for someone, might be problematic for some people. Like this very iconic scene in that प्यार किया तो डरना क्या film Salman Khan का. So there is this gay character or trans character. वो नहीं क्रिकेट खेलता है, then the music plays, oh टिडिंग टिडिंग, oh that people will say कि this is a very entertaining scene. उससे अच्छा entertainment क्या होगा? सब लोग हंस रहे, but it might be problematic for someone. किसी को आप stereotype करके उस तरह से portray कर रहे. Like I have a lot of friends who are trans, people who are from LGBT community. हर LGBT का हर लड़के को जाके गाल पे ऐसे क्या कर रहा है, ये सब क्या चल, ऐसे सब नहीं बोलता है. Sexual orientation is a different thing, gender is a different thing, choices are different thing. सबका क्लास होता है ना, हर कोई किसी को भी जाके ऐसा टच करके नहीं बोलता है. I also do have such friends. वो नहीं करते हैं. But showing Bollywood films में trans characters को ऐसे ही दिखाते हैं कि जो हर किसी पे लाइन मार रहा है, which is not the true case.
So if you talk of movies like Aligarh, based on or Fire was one of the oldest Meera Nair, the oldest. It started a lot of stuff. Kapoor and Sons, Girlfriend, My Brother Nikhil, Honeymoon Travels, Fashion, Dostana, Bombay Talkies. They have a particular genre of audience also, right? So do you think that homophobia has changed in Indian cinema from that time to this time, the way it's accepted? Sorry.
Yeah.
There is a lot of sensitivity like that is developed, but
today,
like as you said, there's a particular type of audience, a particular type of a section of people who watch the like Aligarh. Still, like when we watch, we like it. There are a lot of people who didn't like Aligarh. Okay, there are a lot of issues created around it.
Yes.
So these genres coexist. There are still homophobic jokes are also there, and there are other films also coming up, like the recent one, Shubh Mangal Zyada Saavdhan. It's a beautiful film, but people will be there who are critiquing it. Like आज के जमाने में लोग इस पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि टिकटॉक अच्छा है या यूट्यूब अच्छा है, जिसमें दोनों में एक दूसरे को रोस्ट करते हुए गालियां ही गालियां दे रहे. उनसे क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे हम लोग कि वो सेंसिबल बातें करें.
So do you think we have a sensible audience in India?
Because
we do have, but कम मात्रा में है.
Because Nikhil, I had spoken to Mayura before, and she said you're a fan of Hollywood movies.
Yeah, I watch more than Bollywood. I like Hollywood. Bollywood in terms of not Indian cinema. Indian cinema and Bollywood is different. Bollywood is this masala thing like Dharma Productions. I don't watch those films.
Which can ruin a good film also.
Yeah. I get bored also, and they're like, I'll be critiquing all the time. All that 2.5 or 3 hours, I'll be critiquing the scenes or the characters. So I prefer not to watch. But there are sensible films made in terms of like the Indian cinema and Hollywood also. Like I have more collection of Hollywood films.
I love Bollywood.
It's a Bhelpuri Indian. It's a mixture of both for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So Nikhil, if you see Scarface, Al Pacino, and Godfather, Marlon Brando, then you have Gangs of Wasseypur, Anurag Basu, and the others. How would you relate them? Is it it's a continuation of an Indian version of Godfather or something like that?
Acting wise, there are different. Like I don't basically compare films, but I like both. Like Gangs of Wasseypur also, Scarface or Godfather. Godfather is like my all-time favorite. Yeah.
It's a different level league altogether.
Scarface I watched only once or twice, but Godfather, like I've been watching it like repeated, and every time you get something new from it.
You wanted to become a gangster like Godfather?
No. I like that kind of gangsters. Like Vito Corleone is my favorite. Yeah, and then I watched Marlon Brando's almost like except 1 or 2 films. I watched Marlon Brando's all the films after watching Godfather. So they have so basically they have this what this sensible kind of what mafia. Sensible, no, this is style in it. So
Style.
if you for like recent example, I will tell ki, did you watch like Narcos, both Mexico and
Just one
Narcos
part.
first part, like Pablo Escobar,
Pablo.
and the recent one Felix. So Felix is more matured than Pablo Escobar. So I would prefer to watch Felix if we are talking about mafia films or mafia type of content. So Gangs of Wasseypur has a different set of people, different geographical location, different set of issues that are happening there. So yeah.
I
So
saw this interview.
Yeah.
I saw this interview with Nawazuddin and he did say the fact that that particular scene he has when he's sitting with the girl in the theater, he actually did that actually in real life regarding watching a movie. Okay, it's a very famous thing. I don't remember the whole scene right now, but
yeah, even
then yeah. So, but he says one thing. What he performed in the movie, Faisal character was very
Faisal.
powerful.
Sabka badla
Sabka
lega.
badla lega Faisal. And that character was so dominant because he learned that character from going to his village.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, so that is what UP, Bihar, and the northern part of India.
There is one interview of Nawaz taken by I think Vinay Pathak in his village. So he tells the story how he grew up and how he saw all these things happening around and how that character developed from his childhood memories also.
Okay, so both of you are into media. So you tell me, or if you like writing, who is a bigger hero, Shakespeare or Romeo?
Bigger hero.
No, Shakespeare. Like, the one who created a hero. For me, yeah, it's not one who is enacting it, but one who is creating the character, one who is directing it. For me,
So
director is the hero.
So Valmiki should be a greater hero than Ram.
Sorry, I I do not like either of it. For me, Ram is not a hero. The one who is not like जो किसी धोबी की बात सुन के अपनी वाइफ पे शक खा रहा है जा
Okay,
let's not get into mythology. Let's not get into mythology. It's very problematic for me.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
And that's why, sir, sorry, but yeah, good point here. Our Indian films started with mythology only. Like Dada Saheb Phadke, the biggest icon, the father of Indian cinema, has made films on mythology. So it was like a single narrative for years and years. It is like making people believe that this is the truth. But truth might be different for different people, for different beliefs, different religions. It's a diverse nation. You cannot like thop nahi sakte sab pe this ideology through films. But it was film, so it was evident कि हिल रहा है ना that time. It's सब दिख रहा है. It's moving. It was motion picture, no. So people had to believe it. People had to believe कि ये ऐसा ही था. Like for me, art is very creative. Like writing a story itself is very creative thing. Like when you write Sham Gulabi, Aankhein Gulabi, it is not actually Gulabi. It is the romance in your thoughts. It is how you are portraying it. है ना? When you are writing कि बाणों की वर्षा हो रही थी, it is not actually बादलों से बाण गिर रहे. It is like दोनों साइड बहुत घमासान युद्ध चल रहे भैया, दोनों तरफ से तीर ही तीर चल रहे. It is बाणों की वर्षा. When you are saying कि 10 सिर वाला आदमी, it is like a single man with one head having a brain capacity of 10 people, 10 minds, 10 brains. So this creative writing, when portrayed in a motion picture, people are like, यही सच है. So no rationality, no use of thoughts. It's just एक ही सेंस का, 2-3 ही सेंस का काम है. आंखें सुन रही है, कान सॉरी आंखें देख रही है, कान सुन रहे हैं. That's it. दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. You're believing what you are seeing. You're believing what you're listening to. You're not forcing your mind to think rationally, to to evaluate whether this can be true or this is just an illusion. This is just a thought expressed very
differently
or creatively. So this is the problem with Dada Saheb Phalke doing a series of mythological films, and yes, we have a strong faith in mythology, and that's why we are पीछे इसलिए साइंस में आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे, हम इधर तक ही रुके हैं.
Okay, so you believe in casting?
Believe in what?
Casting for a good movie.
Casting.
Yeah,
casting
it matters a lot, right?
Yes,
So-
yes, it does.
What did Murad do in Gully Boy? How did Murad change the whole system? Or let's say Safina or a Vijay Raj or a Siddhant Chaturvedi, each character had a pivotal role. So how do you think they changed the whole scenario or the narrative?
Casting does about Murad and this character played by Ranveer Singh. I think like I do not have much critique for Ranveer Singh. He like goes into that character and he brings that character beautifully, whichever character he plays, whether it is Bajirao or Murad from Gully Boy or his first film, Band Baja Barat. I don't have much critique, but yes, with casting I have a lot of critique कि हमको जो कैरेक्टर दिखाना होता है हम वैसे आर्टिस्ट नहीं ढूंढते. हमको हमारा लीड कैरेक्टर स्टोरी का जो है which is not a fair skin but a dark skin, तो हम एक गोरा चिट्टा हीरो ढूंढेंगे, फिर उसको काला बनाएंगे और फिर उसको दिखाएंगे. in Zero
or this
आनंद कुमार हाँ, in Zero film हमारा कैरेक्टर, हमारा लीड कैरेक्टर is a short what do you call it, dwarf,
Yeah.
a dwarf character. So aren't there people in India who are actually dwarfs and who are not into acting? There are, but they are doing what? वो सर्कस में जोकर का काम करते हैं या फिर कहीं कॉमेडी का रोल प्ले करते हैं. क्यों वो लीड कैरेक्टर नहीं कर सकते? Basically acting is a skill which can be in anyone. सिर्फ already film industry में existing जो लोग हैं उनके ही बच्चे अच्छा एक्टिंग करते हैं. It's not like that. Everybody knows it. मतलब एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर्स के बेटे बच्चे कैसे काम करते हैं और स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर्स कैसे हैं, एवरीबॉडी नोज. आई डो नॉट नीड टू टेल दैट. तो फिर हमको जो हमारे स्टोरी का डिमांड है वैसे आर्टिस्ट क्यों नहीं ढूंढे जाते? क्यों नहीं? that is the question. Why only a gora chitta having muscular body, like silky hair? सिर्फ वही एक्टर्स
that's what Ranveer did for Gully Boy, because he changed himself from, let's say, a khilji in this thing, and then to this this in a role in Murad. So you can but and he was a typical Bandra boy, so he's changed that way. So if you say why an actor
like for this particular character, there are more actors, many actors who do a lot of work for their character. वो मतलब कई सालों तक उस कैरेक्टर को जीते हैं. Whether it is Ranveer Singh or whether it is Amir Khan, जिसको 22 साल का लड़का दिखना है तो वो भी बन जाता है 3 Idiots के लिए. एक बूढ़ा दिखना है दंगल के लिए तो वो वैसा भी बन जाता है. They do a lot of hard work. खाना खाना है नहीं खाना सब कुछ डायरेक्टर के हिसाब से होता है. So there are actors who do it, like वो हर चीज से हर तरह से अपने आप को वो कैरेक्टर में डालने की कोशिश करते हैं. But why do we not go for finding characters which may relate with this character, their story characters exactly?
Because they are not heroes.
That is where the problem.
Because they are not heroes.
There are actors. There are many actors जो सावले होंगे already. Like Nawazuddin is there.
Nawazuddin.
Because but sir said they are not heroes because India में actors से ज़्यादा heroes को importance है. Actor is because hero is a hero ना.
मैं अगर because I see it.
जब मांझी का स्टोरी बना सर, मांझी द माउंटेन में, तो वो कैरेक्टर का डिमांड जैसा था. अब उसमें जबरदस्ती अगर ऋतिक रोशन को लेके वैसा बनाते तो मुझे लगता है वो इतना जस्टिस नहीं होता जितना शायद नवाज दे पाया उसको.
उसमें एक सीन है बहुत
although
डोमिनेटिव है
हम्म,
जहाँ पे वो किसी से बात करता है। अक्कड़ तो हमने सबकी देखी है, मैंने तो एक पहाड़ का घमंड तोड़ा है, तुम क्या चीज हो। और वो सीन का जो पिक्चराइजेशन था, इट spoke a lot because the way it was done, and that's why, as you rightly said, he was perfectly casted for Manji. uh, Alauddin, for example, one of the controversies which surround Alauddin, or one of not my favorite characters, but something which I had a small talk with you on, was Kabir Singh,
हम्म,
Vijay Deverakonda, or your Shahid Kapoor. And
हम्म,
I personally say I leave an actor in a theater, or I leave a like a character in a theater after I come out of it. My moral values don't tell me that I should behave like Kabir Singh in real life, or like an Arjun Reddy in real life. But then why do people hate that?
there are very few people like you, sir.
Wait, why?
There are very few people. Majority of our Indian people do live that character. सर तेरे नाम के बाद कितने लोग राधे बन गए थे, कितने, तो हर कोई उस हेयर स्टाइल में ही जाता था, हर कोई वो कैरेक्टर को जीने की कोशिश करता था. आफ्टर दिस गजनी सब आमिर खान बन गए. सो
हाँ,
पीपल डू
but
लिव these
but
characters.
हमारे संस्कार, हमारे जो मॉरल वैल्यूज है, पेरेंटिंग है, अगर मेरे सामने कोई किसी लड़की को मोलेस्ट करे तो मैं जो खींच के दूंगा, या जनरल ऑडियंस हमारे घर पे ये सिखाया कि इज्जत करना है, नॉट द वे ही गेट्स दैट गर्ल ऑन द टेबल एंड नॉट ट्राइज टू अंडरस हर विद अ नाइफ. वो तो कभी होता नहीं रियल लाइफ में, इवन व्हेन समबडी इज मेकिंग आउट. दैट इज समथिंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट
काफी
इन
कम
रियल.
लोगों को ये सिखाया है जो आप बोल रहे हैं.
और वो भी किसी और
ज्यादातर
किसी
लोगों को ये सिखाया है कि चुपचाप सहने का.
हाँ.
और लड़की को सिखाया जाता है, लड़कों को कौन सिखाता है सर? सर बचपन से ही जहाँ पे अपने बच्चे को कृष्णा बनाना सिखाते हैं, जो माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज है कि छेड़ना भाई, नदी किनारे लड़कियां नहाने की, उनके कपड़े चुरा लिया, मेरा बेटा आज स्कूल में कान्हा बनेगा. सर वो वही बनेगा, वो बड़े होके वही बनेगा. व्हाई डू वी हैव प्रॉब्लम देन लेटर इफ नॉट पहले? सो शाहिद कपूर इज अ ग्रेट एक्टर. लाइक उसने टोटल जस्टिस दिया. कबीर सिंह का जैसा कैरेक्टर डायरेक्टर ने बोला था उसने वैसा किया. He has done justice to his character, but the character itself is problematic with the lens, like with how director wants it to be. उसने वैसा किया, but it is justified. That is the problem कि हीरो ऐसा होता है, ऐसा हीरो नहीं होता है, ऐसा विलन होता है.
बट उसके एंड
अगर
में
डर
वो
डर फिल्म में शाहरुख खान को प्रॉब्लमेटिक दिखाया है, विलन दिखाया है, उसको हीरो नहीं दिखाया. देयर आर मेनी सच फिल्म्स जहाँ पे लड़की का पीछा करना, स्टॉकिंग करना इज प्रॉब्लमेटिक. Whereas in Kabir Singh it is justified. That is the problem. And people like अभी भी सब लोग कबीर सिंह हो गए ना. They are like shouting at मेरी बंदी है बस.
मेरी बंदी है, ये कॉमन.
बंदी की कोई लाइफ नहीं है सर. वो शाहिद कपूर का जो कैरेक्टर है वो स्मार्ट बंदा है. मतलब वो डोमिनेंट भी है, वो लड़ाई झगड़े भी करता है, मार देता है, किसी से डरता नहीं है. वो बिंदास गाली देगा, मार देगा, सारी चीजें करेगा. फिर भी वो एक जबरदस्त डॉक्टर है, सर्जन है, टॉप का सर्जन है. सर वो प्रीति एग्जैक्टली करती क्या है वो फिल्म में कहीं भी नहीं है. मतलब मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा. वो भी तो उसी कॉलेज में गई थी, तो उसके करियर का क्या एग्जैक्टली?
वो बनी ना डॉक्टर उसके बाद.
क्या मालूम, वो दिखा ही नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
वो डॉक्टर बनी नहीं बनी, मतलब शाहिद कपूर का एम वाज टू बिकम द टॉप का सर्जन एंड मैरी प्रीति. इसका प्रीति का क्या था मालूम नहीं. फर्स्ट डे पे कोई बंदा आके उसको किस कर लेगा और उसी से वो प्यार करेगी. अरे ये कब होता है ऐसे रियलिटी में? मतलब मैं तो थप्पड़ मार के पुलिस कंप्लेंट कर दूं. प्रीति इज लाइकिंग इट. मतलब उसको बिना पूछे उसका सामान हॉस्टल से उठा के अपने रूम में ले गया. उसके बॉडी के ऊपर ये डायग्राम बना रहा है. उसका खुद का अपनी बॉडी पे कोई ऑटोनॉमी है कि नहीं है?
बट सी, हम सबको खिलजी पसंद है. In the sense, I will tell you about myself. It's a very dark role. When I saw this movie thrice, and I keep on seeing that because I realized one thing, that Alauddin जो actual real life में कर रहे. If you seen that song बिनते दिल, उसका पिक्चराइजेशन बहुत ब्यूटीफुली हुआ है. जब वो एक उसकी एक जो बंदी रहती है, उसकी कोर्टिजान रहती है, जिसपे वो सिर्फ एक परफ्यूम का बॉटल फेंकता है, और with Jim Sarab on the side. It shows different facets of his personality. But that's not okay. In the what do you say? In my realm, on the darkest of minds, every man would love to have a bathtub that way and enjoy it. But that doesn't happen. We don't carry our what do you say fascinations or fantasies back to the life. So Kabir Singh is something which many people have 2 or 3 views on, and as you rightly said, a lot of people do get influenced by what they see on the silver screen. Uh, there are a lot of people here in the audience also who believe in the power of media. Okay, so anybody wants to ask Mayura on questions on how media can influence something? Anybody here want to ask? Please do. But I'll ask you something. Is there a content crisis in? Do you think there is a proper content crisis in Indian films?
No, I don't think so. There
आपने
is
बेताल
directly lot of content. There's a crisis of platforms. There are very less platforms or less people who want to bring out content to opportunities. So there is lot of content.
अभी जो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जो आ रहा है दैट कंटेंट इज वेरी क्रिएटिव जो वेब सीरीज आ रही है मतलब
not every
आपने बेताल देखी नहीं है अभी तक
but there's a lot of
there's a lot of variety of content online but बॉलीवुड में वही रीमेक बन रहे हैं वही स्टोरीज को फिर से बनाया जा रहा है हॉलीवुड से उठा के साउथ फिल्म से उठा के यहाँ वहां से उठा के तो ये थोड़ा बहुत तो लगता है कि कंटेंट की कमी दिख रही है ऑन बॉलीवुड बट इतने तो भी लोगों के पास यूनिक कंटेंट्स होंगे वो उनको शायद अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही है वो दिखाने के लिए वो डिस्प्ले करने के लिए या फिर वो प्रिविलेजेस नहीं है उनके पास या privilege would be the correct word here.
Mayura, do you write? Do you also do writing as a story writer, content writer?
Yeah, I'm not a good writer, but yeah, I do have written some stories जिसको अब तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. They're just scripts अभी भी पड़े हैं मेरे पास. मतलब if you allow me to tell an interesting story of my childhood. तो मैं मतलब बच्चे कैसे बोलना सीखते ना मैं बोलना नहीं मैं बड़बड़ करना सीखी थी ना what my mom told me कि मैं घर के सामने जो हमारा छोटा सा गार्डन था पेड़ पौधे थे तो वहां पे खड़े रह के कुछ भी स्टोरीज बनाती थी फिर आलू ने बैगन को ऐसा बोला फिर उसने ऐसा बोला फिर उसने ऐसा बोला तो I was always a storyteller. So yes, I do love writing, making like bringing concepts and putting it down. I do like it. बट वो कभी सही जगह पहुंच जाता है कभी नहीं पहुंचता है
you basically think that does what do you say Indian cinema do you think they have good writers?
Indian cinema, yeah, they have good writers. There are,
but they don't sell.
Many of them sell also. But not everybody of them are like
जो अच्छी स्टोरीज है ना वो पॉपुलर नहीं हो पाती क्योंकि लोगों को क्या चाहिए वो ज्यादा बिकता है इनके पास जो अच्छी स्टोरी वो नहीं बिक रही है लोगों को एक ही घिसा पिटा चाहिए ना उनको बार बार वो कुछ तो भी ऐसा मैस्कुलिनिटी चाहिए उनको आइटम नंबर्स चाहिए तो फिर जो अच्छे राइटर्स भी है उनको यही लिखना पड़ता है जो डिमांड में सो लाइक you taught us during our class supply demand same concept
so because आज कंटेंट चेंज भी हो रहा है अभी थैंक गॉड आपने बेताल देखी है तो प्लीज मत देखना बिकॉज वो बेकार है इट्स ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स इट्स अ पैथेटिक सीरीज बट देन आई सॉ पाताल लोक व्हिच वाज रियली गुड which had a different the acting was good in that I like the movie I like the series I would say but why don't Indian cinema comes out not Indian OTT comes out with something like Peaky Blinders you seen Peaky Blinders
no
it's a nice one do you think Indian cinema has value-based system?
Overall Indian cinema? No, I don't think.
No, I didn't get the question. Like, in what sense exactly? Like,
value.
In teaching what is right and what is wrong, or any kind of morality or ethics.
No.
No Indian cinema, no Indian
There are
advertisements.
there are few people in larger, like if you see in cinema, there are
Mhm.
few people who has some value system. They work on their principles. They have
Mhm.
some
Who
system.
think that there
Huh,
are ethical concerns which
huh.
should be considered while
There are
making films.
only few names, but rest of the industry is driven by profit only.
Profit,
Yeah.
commercialization, proper.
So do you think
The biggest
Bajirao was
example is like Sairat. So if you
Sairat?
see Sairat and then this
The other one is
what
Pathetic.
Dhadak.
Dhadak.
Huh.
Dhadak,
So you
horrible.
see, yeah, Sairat has a certain principles and certain values, which why Nagaraj Manjunath made that film.
Mm.
If you study that film properly, but then there is Dhadak.
Not just that film, but
Huh. So
also
it's
previous
example.
films of
Nah,
Nagaraj Majure.
Mhm.
So
huh.
he's
Tumbad is a nice movie, right?
Tumbad is a nice
yeah.
film.
Tumbad is a nice movie
In
because
terms like, yeah,
in terms of
Bandke
in terms of what it was shown, in terms of it was a nice movie.
in terms of content, cinematography, in terms of the efforts they took to
And
make it.
do you think
Yeah.
do you think Tumbad got the right amount of leverage what it had to? पैसा कमाया उतना?
नहीं शायद इतना
That I don't
इतना
know
नहीं चाहिए, इतना
exactly.
पॉपुलर भी नहीं
Because
हुआ फिल्म.
हाँ,
अगर इसमें तुम्बाद देखी नहीं
I
तो
know a
प्लीज
lot of
देखना,
people who haven't
बहुत
watched.
अच्छी चीज है.
देखिए ट्वाइस घर पे देखे लेकिन
I've seen it in theater proper. I think on
I've seen it in
second or
OTT.
third day.
Something to talk about is Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb coming on OTT. 120 crores. If people say it would have earned more on when I see I'm talking box office numbers in terms of collections, not even content. But Akshay Kumar है तो obviously वो picture खींच लेगा. But 120 crores on OTT platform. Do you think they underpaid?
Don't
वो
know.
इसका रीमेक है ना
Yes, Kanchana.
लॉरेंस का कंचना का ना remake.
Lawrence is directing. Lawrence is making. No, I don't have a lot of idea about OTT platforms and the whole economics about.
हाँ, that
Yeah.
अभी नया है, but people are like youngsters are all driving into that OTT platforms.
OTT.
They're less interested in what is happening in theaters, but more into like what is happening in Netflix and Amazon and all these platforms.
मयूरा आपने साथिया देखी?
हाँ.
Okay, I don't know how many people here know about Sathya. Sathya changed.
विवेक ओबरॉय,
रानू मुखर्जी. और बहुत प्यारी पिक्चर थी. It was a time when I used to go to college. रुइया कॉलेज माटुंगा. एंटाइसर जस्ट बाइक आई थी नई वाली. And विवेक ओबरॉय
आपके कॉलेज के जमाने की फिल्म है.
मेरे कॉलेज की जमाने की. और अब एंटाइसर और अभी एक नई मूवी निकली है जिसका नाम है मलाल, जो जावेद जाफरी का लड़का था उसमें, जो which it is a very simple love story. वो चॉल बेस्ड लव स्टोरीज होता है जो okay, वो टाइम का लव स्टोरी. It's not a love story which is based from New York or Texas or something. But the movie didn't do well in recent times. So has the concept of love changed from a simple love story to something else, or what do you think?
Like with Dharma Productions and similar productions, they have like created such a bar that people do want to see what they cannot see in real life. People are like how they want to feel amused कि अरे इधर बर्फ पड़ रही, फिर वहाँ पे हीरोइन का साड़ी लहरा रहा है, and like some like और आजू बाजू में थोड़े से अंग्रेज घूम रहे हैं, तो उनको वो थोड़ा लगता है ये बिग बजट फिल्म है, इसमें कुछ बात है. Whereas उनका उससे कोई कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है, उनकी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं बन पाता ना. they are not able to feel it. Whereas simple love stories are actually मतलब जिसमें कुछ खास heroic moment नहीं है, काफी relatable होता है. I always felt like I'm from Vidarbha region of like both of us are from Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Like तो वहाँ पे हमने मराठी फिल्म ज्यादा नहीं देखी, like apart from लक्ष्मीकांत बेर्डे बचपन में नहीं, and also we don't speak much of Marathi. तो हमारा कल्चर थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा ज्यादा हिंदी इन्फ्लुएंस है, तो बॉलीवुड ही देखा था. But when I shifted to Mumbai like around 2007 में, उसके बाद I started learning Marathi and started watching more of Marathi films, and I really felt कि ज्यादा relatable है. मतलब लक्ष्मीकांत बेर्डे, अशोक सराफ, these are the actors जिसको हम कभी भी शाहरुख खान, ऋतिक रोशन, आमिर खान इनसे कंपेयर ही नहीं कर पाए, कभी नहीं। मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि यार हिंदी फिल्म के एक्टर्स को देखो और ये देखो हमारे गरीब एक्टर्स हैं, बट एक्चुअली उनकी स्टोरीज में बहुत ज्यादा रिलेटेबल स्टफ है। तो ऐसा लगता है यार अपनी अपनी भी तो स्टोरी हो सकती है, इनकी है तो अपनी क्यों नहीं हो सकती। when you look at these love stories of Govinda going to some foreign country and meeting, वहां पे भी जाके इंडियन वाली ही मिलने वाली है, तो मतलब इतने दूर जाने का मतलब ही क्या है। अपने शहर की मिलने वाली है। करिश्मा कपूर को साथ ही लेके जाते हैं, उधर से कुछ करके फिर इधर आते हैं, तो मतलब क्या है। बट आई नेवर फाउंड दो स्टोरीज रिलेटेबल। उनको देख के कभी लगा ही नहीं कि अपना भी कुछ ऐसी स्टोरी हो सकती है, मतलब आसपास भी नहीं। पर ये जो स्टोरीज है, लाइक साउथ की कुछ फिल्म्स है, मराठी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की जो फिल्म्स है, बंगाली फिल्म्स है, तो उनको देख के लगता है यार नहीं ये बहुत रिलेटेबल है, अपने जैसा घर दिख रहा है, अपने जैसा कल्चर है, अपनी जैसी लैंग्वेज है।
बेसिक चीजें हैं, मतलब स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सेट टू देयर क्लोथ्स, उनके कॉलेजेस, धर्मा प्रोडक्शन के कॉलेजेस अलग ही होते हैं, मतलब वो दुनिया में कहाँ है पता नहीं है, बट
मैं अभी भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ।
अपने टाइप के दिखते नहीं है। उनके घर, उनके बात करने का तरीका
बहुत बड़ा हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाता है फेसिंग रियलिटी।
तो वो रिलेटेबल लगते ही नहीं है, वो मतलब अलग ही लेवल होता है।
टीवी सीरियल्स और फिल्म्स में जब कॉलेज लाइफ देखते हैं और फिर 10th जब हो जाता है तो लगता है अभी अपन कॉलेज जाएंगे, अभी अपनी भी वैसे लाइफ रहेगी एकदम कूल। और जब जाते हैं सिद्धार्थ कॉलेज में तो ये तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार, हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाता है।
I was from a time when अजय देवगन came on a bike, मेरे कॉलेज की लड़की होगा ना उसमें, वो स्प्लिट मार के आता है।
हाँ,
So yeah, so we always thought all colleges would be that way and XYZ, but life found to be totally different in the end. Okay, somebody who wants to ask the question is Faizi ma'am. Faizi ma'am, you want to ask a question? Please, you can go ahead. You can unmute yourself, please.
Yes, thank you, Benny. Thank you so very much. I must, on the onset, say, Mayura and Nikhil, I'm really impressed with your thought process. I wish half of them learn to think like you. This is what we need. I mean, the thought process is so beautiful. I'm actually waiting for my kids to grow up to look in movies which you would write and create, because I do believe that at least your funda is right in place. So I mean, the moment you said certain things, I was like, wow, okay, this girl and this guy has the guts to speak, and I'm really impressed with that. How is it that with such amazing people like you, we still don't get the kind of stories that you want to tell us? We still, what you do is when you want to take my daughter or my son who's a 13-year-old or a 9-year-old for a movie, I'm scared कि भाई अभी कौन सी पिक्चर है, क्या पिक्चर है, 15 बार review पढ़ो. But I would want them to see a movie which you would direct or you'll make, because I know at the end they'll come back more sensible, a human being, a citizen. So, how far is that as of now?
It is so far as of now. But we can recommend some like जो हम लोग जिस तरह से सोच रहे हैं, the films that we want
to make or to suggest you to watch.
Yeah. So there are few filmmakers, and also I would like to tell why these films are different from the other filmmakers. Some directors' names we can call Nagaraj Manjure's Marathi films, Paranjit,
Neeraj Ghaiwan.
Yeah. Also this apna Anubhav Sinha's films also are quite different.
There are a lot of
but there are what
few, not lot of, but very few.
I'm sorry. Yeah, yes, 1 minute. I see what happens is when you talk about these films, they're little offbeat movies. For a child to sit through this, na, wo bolega, Mama, khatam kab ho raha hai? Ye khatam kab ho raha hai? You know, you don't make these nice movies fun more. You know.
Yeah.
Hey, zamana tha when you could
see. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Can you hear me? I can hear you very clearly.
Yeah, if you have seen the movie Kala, Paranjit made this Tamil film which was later dubbed in multiple languages. So it is an entertaining film, no doubts. It's like you are able to see Rajnikant doing fight
I'm a big Rajni fan.
Strong dialogues, songs, music, the colors which we are able to see, but it has a particular perception about films. It has a total different narration. Just one scene I would like to describe here. There's a scene where this girl Tufani is being raped by these cops,
No, not
molested.
yeah, molested.
Like
Yeah.
kind of, yes, sorry, not exactly
During this
rape.
fight scene.
There's a fight scene where they are molesting her, and her one side they take off her pants also, and she had this bamboo stick in hand initially, so which is also fallen on the other side. So there is a dilemma where she is like they are laughing at her and they are looking at what she'll go and pick up. Even the whole audience at that time are like stuck and like very curiously waiting for her to act what she'll choose, whether she'll choose her pants. Like everybody was like what
In
we
general
have seen,
perception in
yeah,
Bollywood, she would have
Very
chosen
true.
her
she
pants.
would have chosen her pants कि
Hmm.
भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो. Such kind of dialogues we've been seeing. ऐसे ही बड़े हम लोग हुए ये सब सुन के. But the moment she chooses that bamboo stick to fight back is the moment. And this is what how
Yeah.
far Ranjit has shown. और उसके लिए अलग से फेमिनिज्म वाली अलग से फिल्म्स बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जनरल लाइफ की लड़कियां ऐसी भी होती है. एवरीबडी इज नॉट लाइक मुझे छोड़ दो भगवान के लिए. सो इस तरह का
See, Mayur,
डायरेक्शन
that's exactly. I have never seen an Abla Nari. If there was an Abla Nari, the Saas Bahu series would have never happened, you know. I mean, एक तरफ ये saying एक Abla Nari है, दूसरे पे saying एक सास बहू series भी होता है. So we contradict ourselves. But anyways, God bless you. I think you guys are doing. I'm amazed with your thought process. I'm glad that I joined this. Anyways, thank you, Benny.
There's Anubhav Sinha, as she rightly said, there's Muluk, there is Thappad, there is one more which is really beautiful. Anubhav Sinha,
आर्टिकल 15
Article 50, that's like beautiful movie. आयुष्मान खुराना तो एक लीग अपार्ट है, उसकी मूवीज तो कुछ अलग ही एक लेवल, फ्रॉम विकी डोनर टू एवरीथिंग जबरदस्त है. तो या वो जॉनर भी बहुत अच्छा है. आई मीन पीपल हु हैव नॉट सीन,
and it's also entertaining. It's part of the mainstream Bollywood films. That's the best part कि ऐसे फिल्म्स बनाने के लिए अलग मतलब नॉन कमर्शियल आर्ट्स फिल्म्स में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. they are keeping that Bollywood entertainment masala in it, and at the same time they are giving us a lot to think. अलग तरीके से सोचना पड़ रहा है हमको. If you have seen sir Asuran, it's a Tamil movie. It's a beautiful movie. बहुत जबरदस्त मूवी है.
I don't know how people relate to Tamil movies. I don't know much of Tamil, but then I had seen this movie called Bigil, and I had gone with family to see this movie Bigil in the theater in Kerala. And मैंने और साथ में मैंने रजनीकांत की पेठा देखी थी. क्यों ऑडियंस ताली बजाती है उन विजय की एंट्री पे, और इसके ओ फ्रीक, दैट इज अ लेवल अपार्ट. वो मैंने इंडियन सिनेमा में सिर्फ चुलबुल पांडे के लिए देखा है, वो भी गेटी गैलेक्सी बैंड्रा में, बिकॉज वहाँ का क्राउड जो है ना वो पूरा अलग है. हाँ, बैंड्रा बॉयज, बट ये अलग है. गेटी गैलेक्सी वाला वो कपल वाला क्राउड नहीं, अलग क्राउड है. और इट इज नॉट दी CR2 Nariman Point crowd who comes with caramel popcorn in the hand and say wonderful, wonderful, what a shot. But then I
was in Ahmedabad, sir, and I do have a lot of critique for Salman Khan, for Bollywood, but I still love watching it and I love critiquing it. मतलब ये क्या फालतू बनाया है, ऐसा बोलने में भी अलग मजा है. So I was in Ahmedabad and I went to watch Sultan there. मेरे colleagues थे ऑफिस के, तो और उसमें से 2 लोग मेरे साथ नागपुर वाले थे जो अहमदाबाद में थे. और उस थिएटर में किसी ने भी सीटी नहीं बजाया. I was the only one जो सीटी बजा रही थी. And I literally felt embarrassing कि अरे यार, I was the only one. ठीक है, अगले सीन में नहीं बजाऊंगी. But again I felt like and I did again. So हाँ ऐसे मतलब even the critique करने वाले लोगों को भी ये सब करने में भी मजा आता है.
I don't know कितना ऑडियंस है जिसने थिएटर एंजॉय किया. बैल्कनी स्टैंड, वो जो पहले होता था ना सिंगल स्क्रीन में, और उसके बाद मल्टीप्लेक्सेस में भी जब अभी तो रिक्लाइनर आ गया, घर वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है, पर जो नॉर्मल स्टैंड्स में मजा आता था थिएटर में पहले, जो मुंबई के ओल्ड थिएटर्स में होते थे, न्यू एक्सेलर, गेटी, बहुत उधर जो है उस साइड के, फिर डिफरेंट फीलिंग है. अभी बहुत एक बड़ा कंट्रोवर्सी है कि OTT और लाइक OTT विल टेक ओवर मल्टी स्क्रीन सिनेमास. ऐसा मेरे हिसाब से तो होने नहीं वाला, बिकॉज फॉर मी गोइंग टू अ थिएटर इज एन एक्सपीरियंस विद फैमिली. वो एक सर्कस
Yes.
की तरह होता है. अभी लोग सर्कस भूल चुके हैं, बट सर्कस बहुत अच्छा होता है. सेम वे गोइंग टू थिएटर इज लाइक गोइंग टू अ मूवी. एनीबडी मोर?
हर सबका टाइम आता है खत्म होने का, तो मार्केट डाउन हो ही जाता है कभी ना कभी सबका,
अभी
and some new thing comes up. Like what ma'am also asked, I would like to talk a little about that. कि when she asked कि आप लोग जिस तरह से फिल्म को देखते हैं, जिस तरह से सोचते हैं फिल्म्स के बारे में, she would like her kids to develop such mentality for looking at films. So basically हम मतलब निखिल का नहीं मालूम, मैं तो बचपन से यही बॉलीवुड मसाला देखते हुए ही बड़ी हुई हूँ. मतलब हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, इस पे ही नाचते हुए ही बड़ी हुई हूँ. So but it is a gradual process when I started looking at films with a very different perspective. So it is through theories. जो theories मैंने पढ़े कि इस तरह से भी फिल्म को देखा जा सकता है, उस तरह से भी फिल्म को देखा जा सकता है, इस तरह से फिल्म बननी चाहिए. एंड उसके लिए एक हर फिल्म बनाने वाले का सोशल लोकेशन बहुत मायने रखता है कि वो कैसे सोशल लोकेशन से आ रहा है डायरेक्टर. अब ऑफ कोर्स जो बंदा फिल्म मेकिंग लंदन से पढ़ के आ रहा है, तो वो उसके दिमाग में वहीं के सीन्स आएंगे, वो उसी तरीके से अपने कैरेक्टर्स डिजाइन करेगा, उसी तरीके से वो कास्टिंग करेगा और उसी तरीके से वो सिनेमेटोग्राफी करेगा. और अब तक के सिंगल नैरेटिव ही हमको देखने मिला है, क्योंकि जो प्रिविलेज रहा है फिल्म मेकिंग का, दैट वाज विद द हैंड्स ऑफ दीज अपर कास्ट अपर क्लास पीपल. तो वो उसी तरीके से सोच डेवलप हुई और उसी तरह से फिल्म्स बनी. व्हाई द नागराज मंजूरेज और पारंजीत फिल्म इज डिफरेंट, बिकॉज दे कम फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट सोशल लोकेशन और उनके पास कुछ नया है दिखाने के लिए. उनका ऐसा कि अब तक आपने ये देखा, इस साइड को देखा ही नहीं, इसको भी सुंदर करके दिखा सकते हैं. एंड ब्रेकिंग दी स्टीरियोटाइप्स और स्टिग्मास ऑफ ब्यूटी. तो ये करके, तो इसीलिए आई थिंक अगर नई नई सोच देखनी है फिल्म्स में, तो नए नए लोगों को चांस देना जरूरी है, नए नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट करना जरूरी है. छोटा मोटा जो फिल्म बन रहा है उनको अप्रिशिएट करना जरूरी है. वेराज अपने यहाँ कैसे है कि जो बड़े बाप का है वो उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, उसके पास सारे इक्विपमेंट्स है. I've seen वेरी स्मॉल डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स और शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, जो अभी शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी होते हैं, वो कोई नोन लोग नहीं है, 4 कॉलेज के लड़के एक साथ आके कुछ फिल्म्स बनाते हैं, बट समटाइम्स देयर स्क्रिप्ट, देयर नरेशन, देयर स्टाइल ऑफ पोर्ट्रेइंग द स्टोरी इज टू ब्यूटीफुल, जिसको शायद उसके बाद भी वहां पे भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तो होता है थोड़ा बहुत, उनको शायद अवार्ड नहीं मिलता. बट अगर हमको अलग चीजें देखनी है और अलग तरीके से फिल्म्स को देखनी है, तो आई थिंक opportunities should be open. More opportunities should be created, and for that these YouTube is best. Like TVF में कितना अलग अलग कंटेंट हमको देखने मिला, काफी ज्यादा अलग कंटेंट देखने मिला. तो इस तरह से अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन होनी चाहिए. एंड अगर किसी ने स्टार्टिंग में खराब थोड़ी बहुत फिल्म भी बनाई है, तो भी उसको थोड़ा बहुत अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, सो दैट वो डेवलप करके अगली फिल्म अच्छी बन सके. Like critique should be there. क्रिटिक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एनालाइज करना किसी भी फिल्म को, इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, गिविंग अ क्रिटिक, बट इट शुड नॉट बी like demoralizing. That critique shouldn't be demoralizing, it should be always appreciated. That's how we come up with new thoughts and a perception, develop perception to look at films. Yeah.
Okay, anyway, anybody has a question to ask, because Tausif is saying the time's running up, sir. Okay, cool. So anybody has a question to ask, because I promise you I'll get Mayura and Nikhil to college back when COVID gets out of here. So when we get back to college, I'll certainly get them back, so they can certainly speak more about stuff. So anybody wants to ask something? Jason, Rupal, Sanchi, Mayura, you're from Nagpur?
Yes, sir.
Which part of Nagpur? Okay, you have a lot of people from Nagpur also here.
Nagpur.
Then ahead of that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Ahead of that, you stay. How is it?
Nagpur, it's in Nagpur city.
Yeah,
Nagpur city. Station से hardly 15 minutes.
Cool. Namrata, Tausif, if anybody wants to ask a question, please do.
Is there anyone from Nagpur?
हाँ है ना.
अभी यहाँ
Sanchi,
पे
ask a question if you want to. Your hometowner. Yeah, very shy.
हाँ मनते पोटे हो.
So anyways, I
I'm
think there
in
are
love with Nagpuri language. Like
huh?
I used to hate it initially. I used to think कि हमको अच्छी language नहीं आती. Our language is very impure. But
अच्छा.
later when I learned things
Hmm.
in life,
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
broader
Hmm.
perspective,
Hmm.
I came up with this thought that there is nothing called impure.
Hmm.
It's a
Hmm.
genre altogether. So
Hmm.
also this applies to films. कि
Hmm.
there are nothing, there is nothing called impurity in films. Like what is beauty for you, which cinematography, it's called as aesthetics, film aesthetics.
Hmm.
तो वो भी अलग अलग हो सकता है. किसी के लिए बर्फों में रोमांस इज एस्थेटिक्स, किसी के लिए वो गोबर के भरे हुए हाथों में भी, मतलब वहां पे कुछ काम चल रहा है, दैट कुड आल्सो बी एस्थेटिक्स.
Sanchi says, "Ma'am, we love our language." That's from your Nagpur colleague only.
I have a
Okay.
question.
And one more thing. Mayura, what's your channel's name on YouTube?
Yeah,
The
it's
Color
the
Board.
Color Board. So we started with this YouTube channel initially, Color Board,
Let's
but
see,
now we are also
COLOURBORD.
running a portal. We are running a website
Hmm.
जहाँ पे if anybody from your students as well wants to
Hmm.
submit their articles, they want to write on anything, any topic, whether it is science, it is market, it's
Hmm.
anything. If they want to write articles, they can submit us and we can publish their articles there.
I just repeat, COLOURBOARD, right?
Yes, the
Okay.
The
Color
Color
Board.
Board.
Color Board with U. U stands for you.
Just WhatsApp me, Mayur, afterwards. I'll just put it on the group
Yeah,
itself.
yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sir.
Okay?
I'll
Because you
send
should.
you the links.
Yes. Because yeah, Tausif
Yeah,
has
the
given
Color Board.
Someone.
Correct,
color
correct.
pics, yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
hello.
Because yeah,
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello, ma'am. I have
someone.
a question. My name is Tausif.
yeah.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
have
Yeah,
a
hi,
question
Tausif.
from both of you. That my question is, as you people are documentary filmmaker, so I want to ask a question that nowadays more biopic movies are coming, like Sanju, Super 30, Manikarnika, MS Dhoni, and lots of movies like Dangal, Maricom, etc., which are all blockbusters. What do you think is Indian cinema and audience thought is not turning towards new trends of biopic movies, or it's just a random success?
It cannot be a random success. It's how you portray the story.
Also, people. I
Mhm.
think people like or people love to see biopics. They want to know about the person.
The real heroes,
Hmm.
basically. Fiction film में क्या होता है? There is some love story, but in biopics, you got to know about the real people who like
Hmm.
maybe brought gold medals for the country, or like served the nation, or like are some kind of a different personality altogether
They
in
can connect
themselves.
with the character.
Yeah.
Like in Super 30, I'm sure that there are a lot of students of Anand Kumar who are studying, so they definitely loved or they may have some critique about it. So yeah, I think there's no
The thing
random
is,
success,
जो
but
बंदा अलग है, बंदा
hmm,
बंदी whatever, जो अलग है, उसके बारे में हर किसी को जानने में अच्छा
अच्छा
लगता है
लगता
कि इस ये अलग क्यों है, तो फिर क्या किया exactly, how does this uh,
है.
person became a personality, so everybody is interested in that, and hence it's not a random success. But I would like to tell you, a documentary film is a totally
Different.
different thing. uh, Basically, biopics still doesn't come in documentary.
Hmm.
like अगर document जिस बंदे पे बनना है फिल्म, वो खुद अगर एक्ट कर रहा है तो that becomes a documentary film. अगर उसका कैरेक्टर कोई और प्ले कर रहा है तो that becomes a biopic.
Bye.
There can be fiction biopics, there can be documentary biopics as well.
Hmm.
जैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर का है, उसने खुद ही
Yeah.
उसमें खुद ही मतलब रियल सचिन तेंदुलकर प्लेस सचिन तेंदुलकर, so that is a documentary film. Whereas these Mary Com और ये सब, these are not documentary biopics, they are just biopics. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Is this Tosif?
Hello.
Hello. Connection gap. Hello.
हेलो मैम, आई थिंक
Hello
बैनी
sir.
सर, बैनी सर जस्ट लेफ्ट. वो शायद उनका कुछ कनेक्शन
Oh,
इशू आया, अभी वो पार्टिसिपेंट में नहीं शो हो रहा है.
so can you connect him back, or shall we
मैम,
like end here? I don't know.
let me message to him personally.
Yeah, because it seems Tossif had muted me itself. So, what's last question? This guy, there's a person called Srinivas, is a student of mine. He writes, "How different is documentary from short film?" And I'm interested in making short films, and I'm currently working on 2 projects. So, any suggestions on what things should I work to give it effective contents? Srinivas, are you there here right now? No, I suppose he's gone. Yeah, Srinivas is there. Srinivas, पूछ सकता है. So you want to answer, Mayura?
हाँ चलेगा. फिल्म्स को कैटेगराइज करने के लिए अलग अलग तरीके से किया जाता है. देयर इज लेंथ वाइज कैटेगराइजेशन, जॉनर वाइज कैटेगराइजेशन, टाइप वाइज कैटेगराइजेशन. सो फीचर फिल्म and short film, these are lengthwise categorization. You can make a feature film, you can make a short film. Short film is like usually 15 minutes तक usually होती है. 10 to 15 minutes में आते हैं. 2 minutes से भी की भी होती है short films. वो PSAs हो जाती है sometimes. So lengthwise ये हो गया. And documentary and fiction, these are 2 types. Fiction, when some artist is playing a role of some other real or maybe a fiction character, and documentary is real character playing real his own character.
Some amount of creative writing also. So you do research and then you write a creative script. You create narratives in feature film, but in documentary is like
more realistic.
Like
it's data.
It's like a research paper.
Documentation. It's documentation. How papers are documented. It's like a visual or audio visual documentation. एक example I can give you for this. अगर मुझे जो किसान आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं उस पर अगर मुझे फिल्म बनानी है, I can make a short film, I can make a feature length film. ये length wise हो गया. If I want to make a fiction film, I'll do some casting. कोई बंदा प्ले करेगा फार्मर का रोल, उसके दूसरे कास्टिंग हो जाएगा, फैमिली मेंबर्स. I'll go maybe I'll have a set, or else I might do shooting in real farms. So this will be a fiction film, which either can be a feature length or a short film. But if I want to make a documentary film, I'll actually take my camera to actual farmers, ask him question about his life. So here we do not need any actor to play a role. This farmer himself will tell us what happened to him, how he is doing work, and what happened to him, kya loan liya tha, nahi hua, some suicide, whatever the story is. So this is a documentary film. The question who asked the question? Sorry,
Srinivas. So
so yeah, to Srinivas, if you are interested in short films can either be made as documentary as well, and also fiction. But whole documentary to be made in a very or expressed in a short duration is a difficult task. Either better you go with a fiction film, make a script, have some casting, and then portray the whole story. Because if you go to make documentary film, then you ask a question to that real person and फिर उनका story वो narrate करते हैं, and then it becomes very ethical question कि क्या cut करना है और क्या नहीं cut करना है. So it becomes very difficult. और वैसे interviews लोग देखते हैं तो हर कोई मतलब अगर ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाना है, to make people more connecting to it, fiction film will be better if you want to make short films. Yeah.
Cool. So anybody more? Because otherwise I'll wind up the session. I don't think so. Anybody more? Anyways, Mayura and Nikhil, thank you for coming along.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure having you. Yeah, and I hope it was interesting to all of you. I'll keep in touch with you, and I wish you a very safe day and safe time ahead. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being with us. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Bye people. Thank you for coming. Bye ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity to talk to your students and appear here.
Yeah, pleasure's all mine. Pleasure's all mine. I've seen your sessions a lot. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.